Hey guys, back for another video short. This time I'm removing valve guides on an 8-valve Volkswagen cylinder head. This is an early 1Z, so it's got the 8mm diameter valve stem guides, valve guides. Yeah, these are super easy to take out. You got to get the appropriate size tap. Luckily, I didn't have to drill these. This is a 3/8 16 tap, and I just ran it down in each one of them and cut some threads. I made this out of a piece of scrap stainless I had laying around. Pretty self-explanatory. It's a piece of metal, threaded rod, and you run them down in there. I didn't even take the valve guide or valve seals off. I just tapped right through them, no problem. Show you how quick this is. Thread it on, screw it down. Just like that, breaks loose. This is going on a performance build. I got a Colt Stage 2 cam for it. This thing's going to be wild. There it is. I don't have the new valve guides yet, otherwise I'd put them in and make another little short video, but stay tuned for that. This thing's also getting ported. Gonna be fun.